So at this point, you should have in your Lesson 2 folder, bottom navigation, butterfly garden, road not taken, top navigation. So we are going to transfer the CIT 180 folder to the web. And when we transfer the folder, it will transfer the Lesson 2 folder and everything inside of it. And we're going to use FileZilla for that. Now you can see I have it on my taskbar. And if you do not have it on the taskbar, you can do a search and launch it this way. So the host is ftp.lisabulback.com. And the username is your NMC username. In this case, I'm using Scooby. And at lisabulback.com. And then the password is the password that I sent you. Okay, you key that in and then you'll hit Quick Connect. So on the right, this is what you have on the internet, and you aren't going to have anything over there yet. And over on the left, this is your computer. So you have to find your CIT 180 folder on your computer. So that means I have to find where my OneDrive is. It's that, and it's not OneDrive temp. Let me see. It's probably in here. No, not that one. Oh, here it is. Okay, so here's my OneDrive. Here's CIT 180. Now, all I have to do is left drag this folder over here. And you'll notice when I left drag it, because I have existing folders, I make sure that I don't drag it on top of anything. So I just drag it over to this empty area and release. And now it's actually transferring the files. Okay. And as they transfer, you can normally see them down here, but it did it quite quickly. So I can see they were successful. Failed is not good. Failed means they didn't transfer and you're going to need to do it again. Does not happen unless your internet gets interrupted. Okay. So at this point, everything got transferred. If I double click on this folder, okay, I can see Lesson 2. Double click, I can see my files. Okay, I can also see the date that I transferred them. And it also shows me the time. Okay, in addition to file size. Now, if I want to see these live online, how you have to do this is you got to key in lisabulback.com/your NMC username. In this case, it was Scooby. Okay, so those are my different folders. So I'm going to click on CIT 180. Here's Lesson 2. And these are my pages. So if I click on them, I can see them and click on back. And when you have this at this point, you are done with the textbook assignment and you can go into the Dropbox and enter done. Now, what happens if you see a problem? All right, so I'm looking at road not taken and there's a problem. Something isn't displaying right. What do I do? Well, I have to go into VS Code and I have to fix it. And the next video is going to show you what to do if you had to make changes, because you're going to have to transfer that file up to the internet again.